In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create charts in Excel. To begin, go to your worksheet and locate the full data table you want to turn into a chart. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire table. Be sure to include both the data itself and the text headers at the top of each row or column. Those headers are important because Excel uses them to label parts of the chart, such as the horizontal and vertical axes or the chart legend. If you leave the headers out, your chart may still appear, but it can be harder to read and understand. Once your data is selected, move to the top menu bar and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools used to add visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects to your worksheet. In the Charts section of the ribbon, click Recommended Charts. This option is useful because Excel looks at the structure of your data and suggests chart types that are likely to work well. After you click it, the Insert Chart window should open on your screen. Take a moment to confirm that it appears properly. You should see a set of chart previews that Excel has selected based on your data. These previews help you decide which chart will present your information most clearly. Now scroll through the recommended chart options in the left side of the window. As you click through the different choices, you will be able to preview how your data looks in each format. You may see options such as a clustered column chart, a line chart, or a pie chart. This preview is helpful because the best chart style depends on the kind of story your data is telling. For example, line charts are often useful for trends over time, while column charts are helpful for comparing values. If the recommended choices do not include the exact chart style you want, click the All Charts tab near the top of the window. This will let you browse through all of the chart types Excel offers, so you can choose the format that best fits your needs. When you find the chart you want to use, click on its preview thumbnail to select it. Then click OK in the bottom right corner of the window. Excel will immediately insert the chart onto your active worksheet. Finally, make sure the chart appears on the sheet as expected. Once it is there, you have successfully created your chart in Excel. That covers everything you need to know.